Hi, I'm Monica Petrucci. I'm the editor of Kitchen and Cooking here at Reviewed, and today I'll be reviewing the Titanium Always Pan Pro. The Titanium Always Pan Pro is the first nonstick pan without coating that we've ever tested, and it's designed to combine all of the benefits of stainless steel, cast iron, and nonstick cookware. It hails from the iconic R-Place brand that's known for the original and viral Always Pan. Here's what we like about the Always Pan Pro. It has a genuine nonstick interior with a slight learning curve. This pan is decidedly nonstick, and it works even better than we expected during testing. We were able to cook delicate foods like eggs and pancakes with only minimal cooking oil and butter and just a short preheat time. However, the pan has no coating, so don't expect it to perform like a Teflon or ceramic nonstick in that you can cook something like an egg with no added butter or oil. The manual recommends adding a teaspoon of butter or oil to the pan and preheating it for about 90 seconds. When we followed those instructions during testing, we were able to achieve great results. It sears food evenly. Given that the interior of the pan is made with titanium, it conducts heat excellently. It's able to reach ultra-high temperatures and distribute heat evenly across the surface of the pan. We cooked steaks in the pan and were able to achieve a crispy sear that was evenly brown across both pieces of meat. It's impressively durable. Titanium was chosen for this pan specifically for its ultra-hard design, which is 300% more durable than stainless steel. R-Place recommends reaching for this pan when you want to sear or bake something with really high heat, or even when flambeing. It can handle the high temperatures. This pan is also dishwasher safe and safe to use with metal utensils, which means it doesn't require that extra TLC that we're used to using with traditional nonstick pans. The chemical-free interior comes with peace of mind. Cookware that lasts longer and doesn't have a coating like stainless steel or cast iron typically comes with a much steeper learning curve. They don't release foods as easily as with this pan, and they typically require more skill on the user's end in order to achieve the best results. Always Pan Pro seems to combine these benefits. Although the interior isn't as slippery as traditional nonstick, it combines the benefits of longevity and zero added chemicals. Although we do love the Always Pan Pro, there are some things we found that we didn't like during testing. It's heavier than we'd like for some tasks. Once we learned how truly versatile this pan can be and how easy it is to throw in the dishwasher after every use, we wanted to use it for almost every kitchen task. But we found that it's a little bit harder to lug in and out of storage every time. The pan weighs around 3.4 pounds, which is still lighter than a heavy cast iron pan, for example, but it's heavier than you might be used to with a stainless steel pan or a nonstick skillet. Luckily, this pan does feature a helper handle, which makes it much easier to carry from stovetop to oven, especially when it's filled with food. Keep in mind, though, that the helper handle does get hot during cooking, so you might want to invest in one of R-Place's hot grips to use with it. The ridged interior might show up on some foods. After making a batch of pancakes in this pan, we found that the etched interior, which is designed to hold oil and fat in the pockets, showed up on the exterior of the pancakes. This obviously isn't a huge deal, especially because we didn't notice that same etching on foods like steak and tofu. Just be mindful that it might show up in other foods as well. Overall, the pros are, it's genuinely nonstick with a slight learning curve, it sears food evenly, it's impressively durable, and the chemical-free interior comes with peace of mind. While the cons are, it's heavier than we'd like for some tasks, and the ridged interior may show up on some foods. So should you buy the Titanium Always Pan Pro? Yes, especially if you're willing to invest in a nonstick pan that will probably last forever. With the ability to release food thanks to groundbreaking technology, and with no added chemicals or sprays, this pan has the ability to change the way you cook in the kitchen. Although this kind of technology currently comes with a premium price tag of just under $200, we think its lifetime guarantee makes it worth the splurge. Its versatility and easy upkeep makes it a do-it-all piece of cookware that deserves a spot in your kitchen. For the full review and other cookware reviews, head to reviewed.com, and thanks for watching.